Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Yeah, well, go on. There again, blessed man's and respect each and every one. So much things are going on different places out there in the world, is it? But certain things I'm going to talk about in this video. Present videos to you as well. So, my people, I saw pieces of videos that shows some things that happened when a group of persons had been intercepted by armed men or persons who were holding guns. And based on unconfirmed information that I got, and based on some words that have been said in at least one of those pieces of videos, I got the understanding that those persons who had been intercepted had been accused of being involved in stealing. But what? I mean, a video shows one person holding a gun and talking to someone, viewers and subscribers, and in one of those pieces of videos, I hear when a person said some words to someone. In my point of view, it's like the person asked the person a type of question. Listen for yourself what the person said. Observe yourself.
Why do you steal the car? There's no need to steal the car, my brother. And you are working. You're not working.
You know what the person said? My people, I don't have any confirmed information to determine exactly where those pieces of videos have been recorded or where the whole situation might have happened. You see me, I said, he look away and he set away, but I'm going to present those pieces of videos still because they have been posted on social media and comments have been made about those pieces of videos on social media or the situation. The people, it's set away. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Yes. Now, who told you that must be the car there? Now, how do you know that house? But you always steal the car and put it there. You always put the car there?
Yes.
Light down, don't move. Now get it about you. You want to think Emma. Emma. Why do you steal it? Why do you steal the car there? Why? Why do you steal the car? There's no need to steal the car, my brother. And you are working. You're not working. No, you're not working. Don't look at the baby.
Okay, don't move. Why you move?
No, he can move. He can talk to me. You will never get this. You will see your ass with me.
Okay,
Well, the people, I know that accent can be somewhat of a problem for some of you, my viewers and subscribers, to understand based on how at least one person was talking in those pieces of videos. It's set away, but that's the understanding I got about that type of situation. Anyways, my people, I'm going to move on to another topic. So on another topic, my people, Zine, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least one female and a person who was wearing a hat that has the word security mark on it. The person was wearing clothing that can be considered as some type of uniform. So I say, and the reason why I said at least one female is because there were more than one females there when certain things were being said and so forth. So I said, I want you to also pay attention to at least one motor vehicle that I can see in the video. Pay attention to the position of the motor vehicle as well too. So I say, this confrontation happened where motor vehicles are parked, and you know, I'm wondering what really and truly might have caused this type of situation. So let me present a piece of video to you that had been recorded by the person who was wearing the hat that has the word security mark on it, and then I'm going to present another piece of video to you that had been recorded by the female who was one of the main person involved in this whole situation. Anyways, viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Right, these are the two women who park in Sajiko. Look out there. Right, good, nice. I have you on tape.
That who did
right?
Who's you? Who's you?
Tape you. And tape you. Tape you. Right, I tape you. Tape your vehicle. Right? Stupid of tape, baby. Right? Yeah. Right? Right? Woman, I will slap you down, huh? Right.
Excuse me?
I will slap you down, huh? Don't come in my face. Right. 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 This is the lady who getting on like if she own Sajiko. Right? Right? Don't come in my face. Don't come in my face. Right. Right?
I should don't put it she's in the van.
This is the woman who's taping and right?
I should don't
and she daughter so good. Right?
Alright, so here's the other video, my people, and this video I recorded by the female. Observe with me.
The next one who get to like a jumper.
Right, these are the two women who parked inside your car. Counted. Right, good, nice. I have you on tape.
That who did
Right?
Who's you? Who's you?
Tape you. I tape you.
Ashadon.
Tape you. Right, I tape you. Tape your vehicle. Right? Stupidity of people. Yeah. Right? Right? Woman, I will slap you down, huh? Right.
Excuse me?
I will slap you down, huh?
Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me?
Right?
Ashadon, come and
Right? Don't come in my face. Don't come in my face. Right.
Come on, do something
Right.
now.
Ashadon, put the
Right.
groceries in the van.
This is the woman who taken and right?
Ashadon.
And she
Ashadon.
got so good.
Ashadon, come and put the groceries in the van.
Right, so go ahead and tape. Right, hurry up and move, please. Hurry up and move, please.
Ashadon,
Right.
put the groceries in the van.
Right. Stand up there. You stop and tape whole time. Tape whole time.
Ashadon, come and put the groceries in the van. No, he sent you. I know the devil sent you to me.
No,
I know
you
he.
pass bad. Look how you pass.
Boy,
Look how fast. Go ahead and tape. I have you on tape. Person.
and who cares?
Exactly, so I don't care neither. I don't care shit neither. That's all right, I'm park. But you'll park up and now.
Excuse me? Who you talking to? Excuse me?
Who you talking to?
Who you talking to?
Who you talking to?
You can't be talking to me, brother. Who is you? I just sex and size or?
Oh, exactly.
Am I your sex and
It's
size?
not my size.
I am not your mother. I am not your father. I am not the woman who is be in the bed in the night come.
Ashadon.
Watch.
Right? I am not
Watch.
Ashadon.
your sex and size. You cannot be talking to me like that.
Exactly.
You cannot be talking to me like that. Who the hell you think you is?
You how I
You the management of Massy Stores or?
watch.
You shut your face.
Exactly.
You is the manager of Massy Stores or?
Don't touch.
Ashadon.
Get your ass.
Okay, excuse me.
I don't
You
have a-
cannot be talking to me
I
and
don't
my
care.
mother like that. Have some kind of respect.
Exactly. Thank you. So,
Okay, and
you see how she get on?
okay.
Hello.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Ashadon, put the groceries in the car.
Voila.
You done?
You done?
Ashadon.
No.
Okay, well I'm not done either. Let's go.
Are you okay?
Ashadon.
Let's go.
Ashadon, put the groceries in the car. I'm ready
Let's
to
go. Let's go.
I want to see what fact you're going to do now.
I want to know who fat girl you talking about.
You?
Ashadon.
You're really not.
I must be fat and bubblicious just like the woman in your bed. That'll be doing you in the night come.
Smell it.
Ashadon.
Smell it.
Why you don't smell it for me? Because I illiterate and you
Yeah, okay.
whatever.
We're watching here.
Ashadon.
Who you watching here or here? Who you watching here or here?
Ashadon, put the groceries in the car.
Exactly.
I'm not talking to you.
Exactly.
No, I know he's talking to you.
Exactly. No, it's not me talking. Look how stupid you park.
Who cares?
Exactly.
You didn't know who was here, Pat?
Exactly.
I couldn't go closer.
You could have straightened your vehicle
Fuck
and
you,
go.
boy.
That is nothing. But you know,
Excuse me, you cannot be talking to me like that.
Ashadon.
What to do? Fuck your parking.
You cannot be talking to me like that.
Ashadon, put the groceries.
You cannot talk to me like that.
I want to see me want to do fuck you.
Disrespectful.
Want to see me want to do fuck you.
Very
I
disrespectful.
want to see me want to do fuck you.
Me don't want to touch you, Gid. You must be smelling like in bed.
You can't.
Gid.
You cannot.
Why I want to touch you for?
I dare
Gid.
you. You cannot.
I don't want to touch you.
You cannot.
Cannot what?
Wobble your ass in down.
Excuse me?
Wobble and go in the
Look at the disrespect this man giving me. Look, Olio.
Good.
Look.
Take it and put it wherever.
Look. That's how we getting on in Massey Car Park.
If your mother cussing and carrying
Look. Are you accustomed to that? You not accustomed to that. What you getting on? So that's why your mother and your father just be having you looking how you is.
And how you looking?
Better than you.
How you looking? Why
Better than you.
Flip the camera on yourself.
Better than you.
Flip the camera.
Better than you. Better than you.
Fat girl go in the car.
Why you don't hush your mouth?
How you fat girl? This fat girl, how you?
This illiterate ass.
Penguin, fat girl, hurry up.
Illiterate.
So from me see the word security pan the hat where the person have on and based on the type of clothes I see the person wear, that make me assume certain things. You understand me? But here's the thing now. Didn't get any confirmed information as to what exactly caused the whole situation, but me notice that the person who have on the hat that has the word security mark on it was basically video recording and somehow video recorded at least one motor vehicle and was saying certain words. When we look at one of those pieces of videos, we notice that we see a certain type of marking on the pavement, and we notice how the motor vehicle park. You see what I say? We notice how the motor vehicle park over the marking, and them things that I look upon is what I say. So even though the information I confirm as to what exactly might have caused the situation, and even though me hear certain words in those pieces of videos, didn't get confirmed information, but based on what me see, me assume as to what might have happened. And if that is what might have happened, then me people it's set away. And however, if you have an understanding about it, tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to that the situation between those persons. Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let me know what you think. So I saw a video which I think is some form of news report that shows a law enforcer from within the country of Jamaica saying some words. In my point of view, it's like the law enforcer was naming out some gangs within the country of Jamaica. And in the video that I watched, the law enforcer said some words that made me feel a type of emotion. Even though the words that the person has said, what the person was talking about is about what I would consider to be a serious topic. But we couldn't help it. That's what I say. So, in the video, the law enforcer said some words that gave me the understanding that he said, we will not allow criminals to go around shooting people like birds.
We will not allow criminals to go around shooting people like birds.
But people, right there, so we just couldn't help it. However, I got the understanding that some comments had been made on social media about the words that the law enforcer said are about the video. Anyways, so one comment from someone said, if one parish have so much gang, imagine the rest of parish them. So some more words now the comments are, and let me say these words before we go any further. I am not able to confirm if any of these words are accurate or even true pertaining to what the law enforcer was talking about or what the comments are basically implying. See? So another comment have some words in it that basically are saying, so basically they are telling their criminal friends they are going to pass through. Another comment have some words in it that are, man, them are going to clean up Mobile and nothing now happen at Mobile. So let me go to another comment while I'm past the one there. Let me reach a one. Alright, so words in this comment are, you just tell them to change parish until the operation is over. More words in other comments are, man, them they even call green pan cause them know an offense for them lean pan. There are more comments there, my people, like more comments that see. Yeah, so the law enforcer said some more words that gave me the understanding that the law enforcer basically send out warning and name out what the law enforcer call names of gangs. But I'd like to tell me, what do you think about that? What do you think about that, my people? Anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it, Big up and respect each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.